In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install a VPN proxy extension for Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving on. If Chrome is already open, you can simply go to a new tab so you have a clean place to begin. Starting from the browser itself is important because Chrome extensions are installed directly through the Chrome environment. Next, go to Google and search for the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by clicking in the address bar or search bar at the top of the browser window and typing Chrome Web Store, then pressing Enter. In the search results, look for the official Chrome Web Store page and open it. Once you are inside the Chrome Web Store, use the search field on the page to look for VPN Proxy. After you type that in, press Enter to view the available extension results. You will likely see several options, so take a moment to review the names and choose the VPN Proxy extension you want to install. When you find the extension you want, open its page and begin the installation. Chrome will guide you through the process, and in most cases you will just need to confirm that you want to add the extension to your browser. After that, wait a few seconds while Chrome installs it. Once the installation is complete, the extension should appear in your browser's extensions area, usually near the top right of the window. That covers everything you need to know.